Hi, today I'm with my iPhone 14 Pro Max and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So just to turn on silent mode, first we should just find the switcher here on the left side of our phone. This is the silent mode switcher. Just to activate silent mode, we should just slide the switcher to the down, and now we can see here this red color here near the switcher, so this means that the silent mode is activated. If you want to turn off the silent mode, we should once again just disable the switcher, and we can see that our device is in the ring mode. So by this way we can activate silent or turn silent mode, or to turn it off and to activate the ring mode. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.